Hello guys, welcome to the Foodie. Today is a special day because I'm out into the wild, away from the city hustle bustle, with only the sound of birds chirping and me talking. Today we are at Salt Cafe, restaurant and bar at Oleander Farms, and we are going to explore different cuisines throughout the day. It's going to be an exciting day. Let's go. Let's start with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. And I have a lot of amazing, delicious dishes in front of me. So we have akuri eggs, wild mushroom and smoked cheese tartine. We have ragi chocolate pancakes, shakshuka, and of course cappuccino to go along with it. Kisse shuru kare? I guess this is closest to me, so I'll start with this. It has a crunchy base and a soft akuri eggs. Make it perfect. Let's try the next one, which is wild mushrooms and smoked cheese tartine. It's a nice sourdough bread with mushroom and smoked cheese, which goes perfectly well. Let's try the other dishes as well. So the next dish is shakshuka. Wow, shakshuka is amazing. Baked eggs with harissa sauce, great combination. You know, the best part is there's a lot of variety, and every dish is like an individual dish on its own. Fun. Let's try the chocolate ragi pancake. Don't worry, I'm going to eat everything. I just want to taste everything and kind of tell you how the dishes are. I've been told this is a sugar-free chocolate sauce on the ragi base. It is surprisingly good. I think I like this the best. I like the part that all the dishes are healthy, but they're still good. They're delicious to eat, and I can truly enjoy them equally. I feel like a king. Amazing breakfast. Had fun. I think पेट इतना भर गया कि I need to go out for a stroll, and we need to explore this property as well, right? So let's do that. You know, this place is quite Instagrammable, with different interesting backgrounds to click amazing photos and show it to the world and get those important likes and comments.
सर थोड़ा इधर घूमो इधर हाँ
ठीक है? इधर अभी?
पेट अंदर
It's a beautiful nursery for all the plant lovers. You can buy something for your home, or you can gift something for your loved ones. Up to you. So after exploring this beautiful property, I need to recharge myself. And so, lunchtime. So if you check this out, I have a beautiful spread of 3 different beautiful dishes. So one is a pepperoni pizza, another one is a bharwan aloo chaat, and this is pan-fried chicken noodles. So choice इतना है कि भूख बढ़ रहा है and confusion ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है because I don't know what to start with. Probably aloo chaat. Exciting. Wow, this is truly unique because if you check it, tandoori aloo hai, and there's hari chutney and imli ki chutney to kind of balance it out. It's like a chaat, but in a roll. Next up, pepperoni pizza. This I know I'm gonna like it because it's one of my favorites. looks juicy. Freshly baked, soft dough, brilliant topping, too good. This is surely one of the best pizzas I've ever had. I can't wait to finish this, but we also have to try the pan-fried chicken noodles. So let's dig in. Here we go. So there's 5 spices in this, which kind of makes it a little spicy, but the oyster sauce has this little sweet taste to it. So there's a good balance. I think it's a very good one-pot meal for your lunch. Pet bhar gaya, but look at these amazing little things. Pure art. So we have salted chocolate caramel mousse and trelesh. Let's start with the mousse. It's just melting in your mouth. Mind blowing. You know the best part is there's some sea salt over it, which kind of gives a salty taste to it. Let's take some caramel with nuts. It's truly a rich and decadent dessert. Too good. You must be thinking, ये एक bowl है? नहीं. This is chocolate. So here's your edible chocolate bowl and mousse. And now for some trelesh. And some condensed milk. You know, dessert का मजा तभी आता है when it melts in your mouth. Lovely. If you like chocolates, then Coco Cart is a heaven for you. There are a lot of varieties of international chocolates. It's a fun place to be. And of course, if you're craving for a hot chocolate, then you just have to go to their cafe. It's amazing. One of the unique features of this place is this vintage car collection. For example, check out this car. This, I've been told, is the car of the great M.F. Hussain. He owned this car. It's called Morris 8. Damn cool. Today was a fantastic day. And now I have this amazing food in front of me. I'm gonna enjoy this food. I hope you enjoyed our video, and you guys should definitely visit this place because you can spend an entire day and have fun. It has a good vibe. The food is amazing. I can vouch for that. And do like, follow and subscribe The Foodie. Till then, cheers.